out of Cody. Last time I had 16-6. Around the social teardrop, that's the battle for second place. We got orange and blue versus the metallic, the gunmetal. Down the back straightaway, that's the battle for second place. Good fight between those two. Around, getting in the infield, that's the kicker tabletop. Around the social teardrop, the move out of Daring. Daring had to move. So the out road. Gonna go back to work. No control for those moves. And then trouble down the back circle. Good, back up to the one at the kicker jump. .130 to go. Huey got this in the bag. He's just checked out. He's down the back straight with, my goodness, probably about 8 to 9 seconds over second place. Battle for second, Gross versus Daring. They're going to be coming up on Ryan North. North squaring off the corner, getting into the sweeper.
One minute left.
So North scores up a bit, lets the leaders through that while right there to close in. White track down the back straight, coming up on Leichter. Leichter with a pretty good line getting into the infield. One more minute after this guy, Mike's final name would be up next. And then we're giving away some free shots. Down the back straight with that, Leichter versus Ryan North. Gross pretty comfortable in the second spot. Very looking like he might have to settle out for third with 15 seconds. Likely to be white flag lap for the checkered flag for Daring. 3, 2, 1. Time to start. Right, Gross did in fact get caught. Everybody else off line will be done. Cody Huey goes clean truck. Brian Gross second, Dan Daring finishing third. Followed by Greg Leichter and Ryan North. So 1, 2, 3 for podium. Huey, Brian, and Daring. Huey, Brian, Daring. Huey, Brian, Daring. We'll get to Huey, I guess, to the next one. So the two podium groups up next. Sorry. We'll do it after. Two podium. Kathy, Cody Pictures up next, alright? Cody back to back. Last call, guys. Last call for raffle tickets. Somebody's going away with a new car here. Last three steps have been away. Let's go back up one last time. Do a good job on it. Modified A main event. 5:45, 16 each, all in all. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Blowers up and off. Blowers up and off.
You do have first and two.
We're sure the big guys showing out. Last meeting of the day.
45 seconds left.
Let's see, where else am I short? Okay, let's provide. So guys, let's go back to cross line real quick, we get Dan Herring only. Dan Herring only. Okay, St. John's, number 1, Tomuki second, Tomuki third, Savarino fourth, Daring 5, Council 6, Antonio 7, Carlos Awedo 8, Mike Council 9, and Robert Graham on the 10th. Nice traffic. Okay. What do you have to do this at? Watch driving and make sure to abide by announcers infractions. Alright guys, green is good, corner marshals are plentiful. Drivers good right. 88 minutes, 2 over modified. We'll go on the toe. Nice straight taking in the infield, that's the finger table that was. Coming in and out, Owen at the beach. Leaving, nice shot. Leaving a little pile up at the corner. Look at the corner. Valerie down the back straight, round the sweeper. Tanucci, Anto in the fourth. Jonathan here in the back straight, white, black, and red. At the quicker foot stop, going to go through the EO, shows tears up, purple on the right foot, right clear. 30 seconds. No battle going on, everybody kind of doing their own thing, running the clock down.
That's off. Good job. Oh, okay.
John Green down the back straight, Bob Orange down the back straight, and